Hey guys, we're back here with the Rigging Whoopie. I've just gotten my hands on a new piece for it. Credit to Rich Hattier and Tom Dunlap. They collaborated on the development of this whoopie that is used as a tether for the unisender. Strange looking thing, absolutely makes the unisender sing. I love it. But the heart of their design was this thing called a equalizing pulley. It's a high strength bronze casting with ears to capture the rope, and it is free to slide as the adjustable eye changes dimension. And like any pulley, this is used actually in a life support situation, but like any thimble, it's the cordage that determines the system integrity and the strength, and the thimble is there just to provide chafing resistance. Well, it turns out that that thimble is available over a huge range of sizes, from 3/8 inch rope diameter all the way up to 5 inches of rope diameter. And here's my thimble for 1/2 inch tenax. And now, by getting the thimble to replace the small steel arborist ring, the strength of the system jumps up very dramatically. The 30 kilonewton ring carrying half the load in the basket configuration set the system MBS at about 60 kilonewtons. Now, with that weak link gone and the cordage free to do its work, that MBS jumps up to over 100 kilonewton, and in the basket configuration that amounts to 4,400 pounds of working load. Very, very impressive. That's starting to push into areas delivered by the tail blocks. The bend radius is very substantially improved. If you take a look at the width of the thimble versus the arborist ring, you can see that there is virtually a doubling of the bend radius. Here's the arborist ring at 11.7 and the thimble at 24 millimeters. Very nice improvement in bend radius as well. But the effective pulley diameter is still more like a rigging pulley than a tail block. That works out to be about a 2-inch effective diameter for the stable braid, and I think that's very adequate for 1/2 inch stable braid. That's what I recommend you use. I've given up on my tri-line. I think that's not a good choice here. And I also recommend that you don't put in a larger bull rope than the 1/2 inch stable braid, because all you're asking to do is asking that larger rope to go over a smaller relative bend radius. And as it turns out, the strength of the whoopie in this configuration is matched almost exactly to the strength of double-legged stable braid. It's important to understand that everything I've just said applies to the basket configuration. You can still use the choking configuration by passing the thimble through the rings. And in this configuration, the bend radius for the bull rope is virtually identical as it was before, and the strength rating is identical as it was before. So in this configuration, the working load is nominally around 1,500 pounds. And it's important that you recognize that these two configurations are very different animals for the same device. If you're in the tree and you can possibly do it, you should lengthen out your adjustable eye and do a round turn around the trunk and come back to your basket configuration. That way you get your choking and your maximum strength. That'll be your best advantage. The thimble is made by Nuco Manufacturing of Kansas City, Missouri. You can find the specs and the sizes on their website, and you need to locate a local dealer to place your order. In the half-inch size, the price was around 25 bucks, and I think it's just a terrific addition to the Rigging Whoopie. Thanks for watching.